3. Good morning, everybody. My name is Anwar Salimo. I'm the program assistant at Madagascar and Indian Ocean Islands. My study background consisted of marine science. I have my degree of professional bachelor on marine biodiversity at the University Law of Madagascar in 2011. I hold the intern at MNC NOCB on the assessment of the target viability black lemur or Elimir macaco in the Natural Reserve Integral Locally, and also intern at National Center of Oceanography Research at NOCB for 3 months to prepare my professional bachelor on the influence of the linear cycle on the capture of bivalve molluscs Anadara natalensis in the northwestern part of Madagascar. In April and May 2012, after my professional bachelor, I worked on the Air Telecommunication Agency like as a facilitator to increase my awareness in sensitizing capacity. Due to the importance of the nature protection, I decided to join CIFRI community-centered conservation to take part of environmental protection. In June 2012, I followed the training program of mangrove survey in Ilands, and also I followed again the program to go in Irud and Abolobozukeli for the socio-economic survey and mangrove survey to see the impact and the abundance of the mangroves. I would like to bring my skills about my study and take part of the environment protection. I choose to work on the GNU. So now I'm the program assistant at the CIFRI Madagascar and Indian Ocean Islands. For more information, please visit our website www.c-free.org.uk. Thank you very much.